Incremental greetings. In the last video, we have seen the option, the component feature to tell the components that comes in handy. And now we will see how we can align and size the components. This is more detailed than the last option, than just styling. And what is align and resize? This is align or resize all selected components in editing or dragging modes. Here I have absolute control. Absolute control. The alignment to the left side or right side or to the center or space equally, center in the window, so it will merge to this, the center of the element window, by the way. That's the alignment of horizontal, the same for vertical, and then the size. Which one is the smallest? Let me actually redo this. So now I want to have a relative resize, that all of the HTML components will be of the size of the smallest. I can do that. Right click, components, alignment and size, and everything is no change and no change. And the width, no, the height. The height will be shrink to the smallest. Hey, nothing happened because I need to click those. Click this, and now let's try again. Components, alignment and size, and I want the height to be shrink to the smallest. I forgot the reference, this one. Now the three are selected. Once again, components, alignment and size, shrink to the smallest. I'm getting the access violation. Align or resize all selection components in editing or dragging mode. I'm not in any of those. Control E, remember, Control E, and now I will do it. But look what's going to happen. I want center in the window. Hey, good to know I achieved that. Perhaps for the images, this is not the best case, but that's a big no-no for image occlusions because it also moved the occlusion. It's not something you want to do. Now, let me go back to the root. Now, Control E, then components, alignment and resize, center in the window. It's okay. That doesn't work, right? They have more than one component. They are overlapping. It's not a good choice. What I will do instead is A, space equally, horizontally and vertically. A, space equally, both vertical and horizontal. Cannot space components. Okay, it's not possible. That can be true. Then remember, let me go back and do fit sizes. Okay, it's not the best I could imagine. Tile components, remember, I want to tile those. Okay. So now what I want to do is, you know what? Shrink to the smallest, the width. Remember, the image now is the smallest. Now, I will make this this is smaller. Do you see? The welcome to Pleasurable learning. Okay, it's now narrower. Now, if I select the option alignment and size, but hey, I want the width shrink to the smallest, what's going to happen? Now, all of the components match the same width. That could be interesting. Depends what you want. Now, let me resize once again, and I will select the opposite option. That is to grow to the largest. Now, the largest is this one. That means that all of the other components will grow to the same width. Let's try that. Here you go. And we covered the horizontal axis, but it's the same for the vertical. Now I will put it like that for the example. So once again, now in the height, you see, it's shrink to the smallest. Nothing happened. Why? Because I need to be in this mode. Now it will work. alignment and size, and string to the smallest. But the boom. Again, this is dimensioning returns. This is already more niche than the features we have seen, but it's come in handy that you don't need to have a surgeon precision to make all of the components. Then, I want a combination. By the way, because I'm showing this to you, I only make one change at a time, but I can make many at the same time. And I will be, now let me do both at the same time. Okay. You see, all of the components are tiny, but one. So what I'm going to do now is both the width and the height grow to the largest. And at the same time, space equally. Vertically and horizontally. Here you go. That's not what I wanted. No worries. Grow without any change. Now I want to be on the left side. Okay, not exactly what I wanted, in the centers. So that's why sometimes let me title the components, 2 by 2, okay. Okay, and that will be the last example. So in this case, I only have one HTML component. So what's going to happen? Let me change the mode, okay. So what will the purpose to have alignment and size because if there's only one component? Well, if I want to center horizontally and vertically, it won't work because I need more than one component. So that's all you need to know. We know the modes, the component order, tile components, the selection of just pictures, and the alignment. That is more specific. That's all you need to know. See you in the next video.